So the car is having trouble starting. See that green death, blue death? We gotta clean that up. The battery is old. The battery does need to be changed, but let's give it its best chance at starting, right? So we're gonna disconnect that negative terminal. So pull this bolt and then pull that up, clean up the terminal and clean up inside the connection. Basically making sure that the connection is a clean connection. So this will clean up the terminal, and then this end will clean up the connector. Actually, let's do it with this on. There, that's clean. Now let's clean inside here. Tighten everything back up, and we should be good to go. What I will do is use a little bit of soap and water to clean up everything as well. A little tidbit for you. Soap and water, clean it up. That's it. That's it. That's all.